scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Comparing boiling points of noble gases is actually super simple if you know what to look for. Let's solve this chemistry challenge together right now. First, we identify that neon has a lower boiling point than xenon. This happens because noble gases rely on London dispersion forces, which are the only intermolecular forces present here. Next, we look at the size of the electron clouds for both elements. Xenon is much larger than neon, meaning its electron cloud is significantly more polarizable and holds stronger attractions. Finally, neon's smaller and less polarizable cloud results in weaker attractions. This confirms that option A is the correct choice for our final answer today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when checking sizes. Trust given data and check steps.